Good evening, viewers. Welcome to today's news bulletin. Here are the headlines of the day. Meghalaya requests 1.2 lakh crore grant from 16th Finance Commission. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma addresses growth challenges at 16th Finance Commission meeting. Sangma advocates for reforms in autonomous district councils. Road safety awareness program held by Tulba and NSS unit of Lady Keane College. And Kasi and Jaintia Students Union demand health minister's intervention over examination irregularities. The chairman of the 16th Finance Commission, Arvind Panagaria, announced today that Meghalaya has requested a grant in aid of 1.2 lakh crore over 5 years. Following a meeting with Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma and his cabinet, Panagaria revealed that the state is also seeking an increase in the divisible pool from the current 41% to 50%. Further, he noted that such a significant increase is unprecedented and could disrupt the financial status quo among states. A team from the commission led by Panagaria arrived in the city on September 28th to discuss the financial matters.
The main subject for the Finance Commission, of course, is the devolution. And on that, the state's pitch was that the vertical devolution to the states from the divisible pool be increased from the current 41% to 50%. And this is, of course, a figure we have been hearing in state after state. There is somehow across states seems to be some consensus that this devolution ought to rise from 41 to 50%.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma outlined the government's strategies to tackle obstacles to the state's growth during the 16th Finance Commission meeting in Shillong. He acknowledged inherited challenges in health and education, particularly concerning the high maternal mortality rate, which led to the introduction of the Mother Program for high-risk pregnant women. Sangma reported significant funding through the 15th Finance Commission and externally aided projects totaling approximately 12,000 crores for infrastructure and development. He emphasized partnerships with international institutions to enhance the state's growth prospects and expressed hope for adequate support from the Finance Commission to realize Meghalaya's development vision.
But I think what has been the best part about where we started and where we are today is that during this journey we were able to actually identify the core issues. I think that was the number one and the most important thing that we saw in the last 5 to 6 years.
Senior NPP leader and Cabinet Minister Rakam A. Sangma has called for significant reforms in the autonomous district councils, expressing optimism that the proposed 125th constitutional amendment will bring about essential changes. Although financial assistance from the Government of India is sufficient, he emphasized that the core issue is the system itself. He alleged that the previous Congress-led government left council employees unpaid for extended periods, a problem that persists despite NPP leadership. Sangma stressed the need for major reforms to rebuild trust and called for collective efforts from MDCs, employees, traditional leaders and citizens to enhance the district council system.
We have seen the Congress was, before NPP take over, Congress was ruling the council. They have left unpaid about 50 months, 20 plus 30 months, right? After that, some leader have taken over. Now it's with the NPP, right? This problem is continuing. But to me personally, the district council need a major reform. Otherwise we cannot the trust on our administration will go down from the government.
The Ultimate Legend Bikers Association and the NSS unit of Lady Keane College, Shillong, organised a road safety awareness program at Kindai Lat Police Bazaar today. The event featured the president of Bike Association, government officials, police representatives and college students. Chief guest Ronnie Lingdaw, MCS, emphasized that a smart city can only be achieved when citizens adopt smarter behaviors. He noted the issue of commuters boarding and alighting from local taxis at their convenience, which contributes to traffic jams. Lingdaw urged attendees to follow proper embankment points to improve road safety and reduce congestion.
The status of a smart city if our citizens are not smart enough. That you and I will embark and disembark, will catch a taxi at the right place, will park our vehicles in the allotted parking spaces. I'm pretty sure that Shillong is well on its way to become a smart city.
The Khasi Students' Union and Jaintia Students' Union today called for Health Minister Ambreen Lingdaw's intervention regarding anomalies in the written examination results for staff nurse and auxiliary nurse midwife positions conducted by the Meghalaya Medical Services Recruitment Board. The examination held on September 21st was for 164 staff nurse vacancies and 78 ANM vacancies. KSU Employment Monitoring Cell Chairman Reuben Najar expressed concerns over serious irregularities, noting that the results were declared twice on September 28th, causing confusion among candidates.
Manipulation katang melap noi handrai kapan arto
kajing kendu kajungi buat Madam Ambreen tolong haluarkan ika ni kajing kendum bagi selection di staff nurse bala advertise kini panai bala ada buat examination macam ini panai aku teri buat result bala penni hawa tari kajing lap kajing kalau bakal di atas di result koi bahag tari ini panai ini aku result step buat result genuine hadirin bagi lagi result ini bagi dan roll numbers ki bala ni biang ki bala ni RCN umdi tang first list haka second list kunjo ki RCN dan tu ki additional list additional candidates ba I.
Minister of State for Skill Development and Entrepreneurship and Education, Jain Chaudhary, visited Reboy district today and met with local officials. The meeting focused on reviewing the implementation of central sector and centrally sponsored schemes. Special emphasis was placed on initiatives related to health, education, skill development and entrepreneurship, given Reboy district's designation as an aspirational district. The Union Minister will address the Northeastern Skill and Entrepreneurship Conclave tomorrow at IIM Shillong. The program will see the participation from all the Northeastern states. A workshop on schemes from the Office of the Development Commissioner was held at the Bado Multi-Facility Hall in Ampati, organised by the Handicrafts Service Centre, Ministry of Textiles. The event educated artisans on topics like geographical indication, registration, e-commerce and GST, featuring presentations from officials on available schemes and export opportunities. Interactive sessions allowed participants to engage and learn about financial aid options for local artisans. Reboy College hosted an entrepreneurship development program at its conference hall today, aimed at equipping aspiring entrepreneurs with essential skills for business management. Chief guest Eric Kevin Thakar, Block Development Officer of Omling CNRD Block, underscored the significance of entrepreneurship for local economic growth and job creation, while encouraging participants to leverage government initiatives supporting startups and small businesses.
Function of this 3-day training program of the EDC conducted by us on the
The United Hinyotrap Movement West Khasi Hills has constructed and handed over a house to Sri Devi Basayomite in Teba village today. The keys were presented during a ceremony led by UHM President Moonstar Nongrem and General Secretary Bishar Rekon Thaba, with the attendance of UHM Central Body President Charlie J. Rani and members of the Women's Wing. Sri Devi expressed heartfelt gratitude, noting that the new home provides her with a safe and comfortable living space.
Bahag babet kababiang pi ki seng UHM kublai sibon ya pi ba ublai unang karku ya pi hakalentia kelentiyang gajong pi.
Rescue efforts are in full swing in Nepal following severe flooding that has killed at least 192 people and left 42 missing. The Home Ministry reported that over 3,000 security personnel are using helicopters and motorboats to aid in rescues, with rafts helping survivors reach safety. Major roads have been closed and domestic air travel disrupted, while schools have been shut for 3 days. The Bagmati River and its tributaries have overflowed, inundating homes, forcing residents to navigate chest-deep water to seek higher ground. Legendary actor Mithun Chakraborty will be honoured with the Dada Saheb Phalke Award at the 70th National Film Awards ceremony next month. Information and Broadcasting Minister Ashwini Vaishnaw announced the decision, praising Chakraborty's inspiring journey from Kolkata to cinematic heights. The Dada Saheb Phalke selection jury recognized his iconic contributions to Indian cinema. Chakraborty expressed his happiness and dedicated the award to his family and fans worldwide.
I'm still taking time to digest it, and I don't know. I'll speak.
And now for the weather report. The minimum temperature recorded was 16.9 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature was 25.6 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity in the morning was 82%, while it was 83% in the evening. And the forecast says light to moderate rainfall and thunder shower is very likely to occur in most places. And before we wind up, here's a quick look at the headlines once again. Meghalaya requests 1.2 lakh crore grant from 16th Finance Commission. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma addresses growth challenges at 16th Finance Commission meeting. Rakhan A. Sangma advocates for reforms in autonomous district councils. Road safety awareness program held by Talba and NSS unit of Lady Keane College. Khasi and Jankia Students' Union demand health minister's intervention over examination regularities. And with that, viewers, we've come to the end of today's edition of the News Bulletin. Do join us back tomorrow for more news updates. Until then, good night.